Hello today. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Philips Sonicare Prestige 9900. It's a power toothbrush with SenseIQ. In this case, it is the HX9990/12. It's available in a limited edition in pink, champagne, pink, or midnight blue. Philips Sonicare Prestige 990 with SenseIQ technology is the most advanced power toothbrush out there. It enhances our proven sonic technology with the intelligent sensing and adapting for holistic care, so we always get it right. This is the most advanced toothbrush on the market. SenseIQ Sense, Adapts, and Cares. This is an all-in-one brush head, an AI-powered Sonicare app. The SenseIQ technology, that means senses, adapts, and cares. As we brush, the SenseIQ technology senses pressure, motion, coverage, and more up to 100 times per second. It then adapts the intensity if we push too hard. The intelligence of the SenseIQ takes the guesswork out of brushing modes, so we can experience effortless care and a better brush over time. And with sleek and a compact design, the Sonicare Diamond Clean 9900 Prestige experience is about big technology delivered with the style and the compactness. The toothbrush is 18mm shorter than the Diamond Clean and features a premium material to make this luxury device easy on the eye and pleasant to the touch. We have an all-in-one brush head for complete care. We clean without compromission with the A3 Premium all-in-one brush head. This all-time best has angled bristles to help the remove up to 20 times more plaque even in hard to reach areas. Triangular tips works to remove up to 100% more stains in less than 2 days. And longer bristles clean deeper gums that are up to 15 times heavier in just 2 weeks. All that without ever reaching brush heads. Did we know the brush heads become less effective after 3 months? The brush sync feature can remind us when it's almost time to replace them. But 3 months is a little bit too short, I think. I think it's 4 months better. But you can choose. We can personalize guidance from the Philips Sonicare app. The Philips Sonicare app is powered by the artificial intelligence and works in a perfect harmony with the toothbrush. We use it to brush with real-time guidance about pressure, motion, coverage, duration, and frequency. We view progress reports by day, week, month, and years. We get personalized recommendations and actionable steps for better brushing. Meanwhile, AutoSync keeps brushing data up to date in the app, even we don't brush with the app by our side. This is an artificial way to know about our brush time and so on. And we sense our brushing style. While we clean, Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige uses sensors to detect the pressure, our apply, cleaning motion, and coverage up to 100 times per second. The sensor also keeps an eye on how long and how often we brush. It adapts to us in real time when our brush is too hard. Most of us apply too much pressure during brushing. That's why our toothbrush automatically adjusts the intensity when we push too hard. And with the free Philips Sonicare app, we can experience tailor-made guidance and personalized recommendations to take our brushing to the next level. And cares intuitively for teeth and gums. The Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean Prestige 9900 is designed around us. Its state-of-the-art technology is so in tune with us and effortless to use that our barely knows it's there. Luckily, the result says it all. And the sonic brushing, the master class in effective cleaning. We brush away plaque with sonic technology, the benchmark in effective and gentle cleaning, while we brush up to 62,000 bristle movements, and dynamic fluid action helps clean even hard to reach areas, leaving our mouths feeling exceptionally free and clean. And with real-time feedback on our brushing. We might not notice when our brush is too hard to start scrubbing, but the toothbrush will do this. The light ring on the end of our handle will gently remind us to ease off the pressure or scrubbing motion. And of course, in the set is the Prestige travel case with the USB for go anywhere style. The elegant and compact travel case can be slipped into any bag for carefree convenience while away from home. The durable case is wrapped in soft-touch, vegan-friendly leather, and for extra ease, all included and integrated USB-C ports and a USB charging cable. We can easily reach off the toothbrush without removing it from the case. And easy charging with a minimize of stand and base. When it is time to charge the toothbrush, we simply place it in the charging base. Perfect for admiring our toothbrush crisp modern designs. We are going to connect this device with our app, and after this we can start a new journey of health in our mouth. This is the Philips Sonicare Prestige 9900. It is a power toothbrush with SenseIQ system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.